401k or IRA? Which one is really the best choice for your retirement? If you've ever wondered how to maximize your savings and retire rich, stick around, because in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know to pick the right account for you. Let's get started. Number 1. Introduction to retirement accounts. When it comes to saving for retirement in America, two of the most popular options are the 401k and the IRA, but they work in very different ways. A 401k is often offered through your employer, while an IRA is something you can set up on your own. Both have their pros and cons, but knowing how to use them effectively can make or break your retirement plan. Today, we'll compare these accounts based on contributions, tax advantages, investment options, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one, or both, is right for you. 2. What is a 401k? Let's start with the 401k. This account is a powerhouse for retirement savings. Here's why. 1. Employer match. Many companies offer a matching contribution. That's free money. For example, if you contribute 5% of your salary, your employer might match it dollar for dollar. 2. High contribution limits. For 2024, you can contribute up to $22,500, or $30,000 if you're over 50. 3. Tax benefits. Contributions are pre-tax, which lowers your taxable income today, and your money grows tax-deferred until retirement. But keep in mind, 401k accounts often have limited investment options and sometimes higher fees compared to an IRA. Still, the employer match alone makes it a must-use account if it's available to you. 3. What is an IRA? Next up is the IRA, or Individual Retirement Account. Here's what makes the IRA special. 1. Flexibility. You can open an IRA on your own, no employer required. 2. Tax options. Choose between a traditional IRA, tax-deferred, or a Roth IRA, tax-free withdrawals in retirement. 3. Investment choices. IRAs usually offer a wider range of investments compared to 401ks. One downside is that IRAs have lower contribution limits. For 2024, you can contribute up to $6,500, or $7,500 if you're over 50. But for many, the Roth IRA's tax-free growth can be a game-changer. Number 4 to 401k versus IRA. Which is right for you? Now, let's compare these accounts head-to-head. Best for high earners. A 401k is great if you want to maximize contributions and take advantage of an employer match. Best for flexibility. An IRA gives you more control over your investments and tax planning. Best for tax-free growth. If you think you'll be in a higher tax bracket in retirement, a Roth IRA could save you thousands. So, which should you choose? The answer: why not both? If your employer offers a match, max out your 401k contributions to get the free money, then invest in an IRA for added flexibility. Number 5. Maximizing both accounts. Here's how to maximize both accounts. Start with your 401k. Contribute at least enough to get the full employer match. It's essentially a 100% return on your money. Next, fund your IRA. If you're eligible for a Roth IRA, prioritize that for tax-free growth. Otherwise, a traditional IRA is still a great option. Go back to your 401k. If you have extra money to invest, contribute more to your 401k up to the annual limit. By combining these accounts, you're diversifying your tax advantages and building a solid foundation for retirement. Number 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, here are a few mistakes to avoid. Not contributing enough to get the match. Don't leave free money on the table. Ignoring fees. Watch out for high fees in 401k plans. Procrastinating. The sooner you start, the more time compound interest has to work for you. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll be well on your way to a comfortable retirement. 401k or IRA, or both. Now you know how to make the most of these powerful retirement tools. Remember, every dollar you invest today is a step closer to financial freedom. Got questions about retirement accounts? Drop them in the comments, and I'll answer as many as I can. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.